Health and wellness are vital for leading a fulfilling life. They encompass various aspects, including physical fitness, nutrition, mental health, and social connections. This comprehensive guide will help you achieve a balanced lifestyle by providing insights and practical tips. To begin, it is important to understand the key meaning of health and wellness. Health goes beyond the absence of illness. It encompasses complete physical, mental, and social well-being. Wellness, on the other hand, is an active process of making choices that lead to a healthy and fulfilling life. It includes maintaining physical health, taking care of mental well-being, and building supportive relationships. Physical health is the foundation of overall wellness. Regular exercise and a balanced diet are crucial in preventing chronic diseases, improving mood, and increasing longevity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Incorporating strength training exercises twice a week is also beneficial. Alongside exercise, a well-balanced diet is important. Ensure your meals consist of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Staying hydrated is equally vital, so make sure to drink plenty of water. Another important aspect of overall wellness is mental health. It affects how we handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help reduce stress and anxiety. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, while meditation techniques like focused attention and body scanning can enhance mental clarity and emotional resilience. If you are struggling with mental health issues, seeking help from a mental health professional is crucial. They can provide valuable support and strategies for coping. Additionally, building resilience is important for navigating life's challenges. This involves fostering a positive mindset, maintaining a strong support network, and practicing self-care. Nutrition also plays a pivotal role in overall wellness. Understanding how food impacts your body can help you make better choices. A well-balanced diet should include a variety of nutrients from different food groups. Fruits and vegetables provide vitamins and minerals. Whole grains offer fiber and lean proteins, and healthy fats aid in growth and repair. It is important to limit the intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive salt. Paying attention to portion sizes and practicing mindful eating can also help maintain a healthy weight and promote overall well-being. In conclusion, health and wellness are multidimensional and involve various aspects of our lives. By prioritizing physical health through exercise, nutrition, and adequate sleep, taking care of mental well-being through mindfulness, seeking help when needed, and building resilience, as well as understanding the role of nutrition in wellness, we can achieve a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. Remember, small steps can create significant positive changes in your overall well-being. Start taking care of yourself today and enjoy the benefits of a balanced life.